Welcome back. This is Dan Havey with CF Ninja Hacks. And in this video, what we're going to talk about is all of the different global or universal aspects that are being built in to ClickFunnels 2.0. So like always, if you like my videos, make sure you go over and check out my CF Ninja Hacks Facebook page and also get over and sign up, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now let's take a look at the new global ClickFunnels 2.0. And just in case you're not aware, they completely rebuilt ClickFunnels 2.0 from the ground up. It's on a different platform. It is in no way part of the old 1.0. It's completely new stuff. And because of that, they were able to do a lot of really cool things. Like in here, we're going to be able to build out what they're calling our funnel hubs. You're going to be able to build out a blog. You can see that down here. Full SEO and everything in that blog. You're going to build out your storefronts. But the one thing you're also going to be able to build out in your homepage and stuff is you're going to be able to build out themes. So you can have an entire theme for your site. So you can set up your background colors. You can set up your fonts. You can probably set up a bunch of different sections in there, and then when you go in and you build each one of your funnel pages, you're just going to say, okay, I want to pick this theme or that theme, and then you can go in and of course modify that theme as you're going forward. So they also in here put in more of a universality of pages. So as we're going to see in a second, there's going to be global products or universal products, but also they're going to do the same thing with your pages. So let's say you got an OTO page that's working great and you want to put it into this funnel and this funnel and this funnel and this funnel. All you do is you're going through the visual workflow and you come down and say, okay, I want to add a page here now for my OTO. You click on the plus button, you add yourself a new page, and then you can pick one of the pages you already have. So you can just click on one of these, puts it right into the visual workflow, and away you go. Because the page is already built and all the product is already built, and you can use that product across multiple different funnels throughout your site. So let me see what else we had in here. So we had universal sections. So actually I got a better screenshot of that. So in here, like you normally went through before, you had your green boxes for your sections, you had your blue for your row, and your orange for your elements. Here they're putting in what is known as a universal section. So you can use it for headers, footers. Yeah, I would guess you can use it for anything on the page. And then if you change it in one place, it will change it across all of the places where that universal section was. So think of a header, you change your phone number. Well, you have that phone number on 50 different funnel pages. And so you just, boom, one time you change it and away you go. You don't have to worry about ever having to change it again. Same thing with footers. And I'm also looking at it that once we start building these things, I think there's going to be some cool ways that we can even use that inside of the membership sites. And then let me see here, my last slide I had, what I've talked about already a couple times, is global products. So you're going to be able to go in, create your product, but you're going to be able to give it a thumbnail, or you're going to give it some sort of an image. You're going to give it a name. It says right here, visibility, so you can tell it where you want it to be seen. Do you want it to be seen just on the funnel pages, or do you also want it to be seen in the customer center? Because they're setting up this cool thing they're calling customer center, where your customer can come in and they can log in and they can see what products they've already purchased from you. Now, if it's set here so that it's also showing in the customer center, what it'll show is, okay, you bought product A, you bought product B. Well, here's product C. You haven't bought that one yet. So you can click on the button right there in the customer center and they can buy that product with a one-click upsell, as well as having the ability to buy it inside your funnels. And then also in the customer center, they're going to have stuff like tracking. So if you're selling physical products, somebody can come in there and see their tracking, get their tracking number, click on it, see if it's going through UPS or FedEx or the post office, how it is progressing on its way to your home or your business. And all of these cool new features will, of course, be showing up in the new, where is it, right here, inside of your new workspaces. And another cool thing about these workspaces is, so you're going to build this workspace and you're going to put your domains in there, you're going to put your funnels in there, you're going to put in your follow-up funnels, all of your products, everything like that. And then if you're an agency, with one click, you can click on it and boom, that whole package is just going to be able to move over into your client's account. So you can build everything out. You can build out your teams. You can build every aspect of it. And then with one click, boom, move it over to your customer. Same thing if you were to build out a business and then choose to sell it. Same thing there. Somebody writes you a big fat check. You just go in. Okay, here we go. We got this one workspace. We got everything contained right in this little pod right here. We click one button and boom, it goes right out into their ClickFunnels account. They can start running their business immediately. It doesn't take you 29 steps to figure out, okay, do I do this funnel and this, where's that follow-up funnel that goes with it, and all that, because it's all contained in one workspace. So that's all I have for this today. If you got any questions, let me know.